Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add SPF record in domain. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cPanel and we are in domain section. So we are going to add TXT record. Now you see zone editor, so click on it. Now we are in domain section. Now you see zone editor. So we are going to add TXT record for SPF record. Now you see domain and then you see action. So click on manage. Now you see zone record for this domain and then you see all a cname mx txt. Now add record, so click on it. Now you see name. So this is our domain name. So you can add your domain name. Now copy paste. Then you see TTL value and then you see type drop down, select TXT record and then you see record text. So we are going to add SPF value. So this is our value. Now copy this. Now you see host content TTL 3600, back to cPanel. Now paste and then click on save record. Now you see success message. You successfully saved the following TXT record for this domain. So you can add TTL 3600 and you will find these values in video description or in comment section. So you can add your domain name, then SPF value and then TTL 3600, or you can add TTL value according to your hosting. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.